And welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to sync with Smartwatch or Fitbit app. That is how to sync your Fitbit app with your Smartwatch. The first thing you do is open up the app from the home menu. Here you tap on, look at the top left corner, you see the icon for a phone and a Smartwatch. So now you can sync with phone here or sync with device at the bottom. So we want to make sync with our Smartwatch, so you can see devices, connect a Smartwatch tracker or a scale, tap on add device. Then you have to enable your location. So let's try it again. So add device, we have to enable location. Let's enable our location, sorry. So when you enable your location, you go back and you try again, and then you can now choose, you can see all the devices you can add to it or sync it with, and then you go to smartwatches and you choose the one that you're using. Let's say I'm using this one. Then you tap on start setup. Then so you are connecting the Versalite smartwatch to your Fitbit app to track your metrics and everything. You read through everything, and if you agree, tap on agree. Don't agree, tap on no thanks, and don't do that. Then so you have to charge your smartwatch during the setup. They show you all the on-screen information. Once you're through, tap on continue. Then you have to allow it to connect to the determine the relative position of nearby device. Tap on allow, and from there, for the on-screen process, continue setting up. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.